parts of New York City were swamped with dangerous flash flooding on Friday, as intense rainfall continued after pouring all night, and a state of emergency was declared amid warnings from officials that the flooding could turn deadly. About 8.5 million people were under flash flood warnings in the New York City area, according to the National Weather Service. The city's concrete and pavement exacerbated flooding as overwhelmed sewers failed to adequately drain rainwater during the heavy and sustained downpours.
Gavin, deze is af een bas. Glaag bij mooisjes af. Dus kijk op deze. Wauw, bos ga je voor. Wauw. Dit is Steve Oget. Dit is Nishak. Dit is what?
Bronx, Brooklyn, and Queens were especially badly hit, with streets flooded, cars abandoned, and buildings inundated, and much of the city's public transport network ground to a halt. City officials warned residents to exercise extreme caution and stay in shelter. Some drivers on the FDR highway that runs up the east side of Manhattan abandoned their vehicles in the flooded water. One to 5 inches of rain have fallen in parts of New York City since early Friday. 1 to 2 inches of rain an hour are still expected in parts of the Brooklyn and Queens, and the city mayor, Eric Adams, warned residents to expect 8 inches in the space of 24 hours. According to updates from the New York Metropolitan Transit Authority, floodwaters led to suspended service across much of the New York subway system, the large rail network that runs in significant part underground.
God.
Heavy rainfall has flooded the streets throughout Brooklyn and Queens, and people were urged to move to higher ground and not to wait for waters to rise if their homes began to flood. Flooding has also affected service at New York City's major airports. LaGuardia International Airport, based in Queens, suspended access to one of its terminals. The John F. Kennedy Airport, also in Queens, reported heavy traffic at 2 of its terminals. The airport had been hit with at least 3 inches of rain since 12 p.m. Eastern Time Friday. At both airports, a number of flights have been cancelled or delayed because of the extreme weather. Other northeastern cities could see similar heavy rainfall. Philadelphia and Boston could each see up to 2 inches of rain. Hartford, Connecticut could collect upwards of 3 inches. The New York City floods come less than 3 months after a storm caused deadly floods in New York's Hudson Valley and left Vermont's capital submerged.